This is a 2019 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 144 wheelbase high roof model. This particular van has the upgraded wheels, sliding side door. It's got a driver's side window, perfect for setting up your own camper. Wood floor with D-rings. The rear of the van has the 170-degree opening doors. It's got a rear view camera. Plenty of storage, almost 11 feet, front to back. In the cab of the van, you're going to find power mirrors, power windows, power locks, automatic headlamps. You're going to have the upgraded multifunction steering wheel, the Mercedes-Benz 10.25-inch MBUX system, climate control, and the comfort seats.